Brittney, I'm about to review this wig, y'all. Hey friends, okay, so today we are reviewing this wig. I am grinning because I am so excited to be reviewing this wig. This wig right here means so much to me in my heart. So the wig that I'm reviewing today means a lot to me, okay? It means a lot to me because I legit wanted to review this wig earlier on my channel, but as some of you guys may know, I was like on a YouTube hiatus, not intentionally. I mean, I did get sick and then I kind of just took some mental time. Either way, I was gone for 4 months, but this wig right here, I did win this wig. So I'm reviewing MyFirstWig Blossom. The reason that this wig means so much to me is because, first, let me give you a history about Blossom, okay? So this wig right here is a headband wig from MyFirstWig. It's called Blossom. I'll show you guys how it looks in 2 seconds, but this wig was created by a fellow YouTuber. You may know her, you may not. If you don't, you need to click subscribe to her channel right now. The Hearts and Cake 90 came out with her first wig, Blossom, and I am like in awe to be reviewing that. And on top of that, back in January, I started following Mary Kay Bella. Oh my God, I love her. I'm in love with her content, and she was doing a review on the wig. Long story short, she did a giveaway to a couple subscribers randomly. I don't know why I was picked, but she picked me. So Mary Kay Bella, thank you so much for this wig. Trust me, I didn't get the wig and dip. You know how some people, they be like, all right, peace out, I'm out. No, I was off YouTube, so I'm now getting a chance to review this wig. A little disclaimer, I already been wearing this wig, y'all. So I already know how I feel about this wig. So I'm proud of Hearts and Cake 90, aka Brittney, for creating her first headband wig. I love you, girl. And Mary Kay Bella, you're so awesome. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to both of their channels. I'm gonna leave a link of both of their wig reviews on this wig and to their channels because they're so dope that y'all need to subscribe to them, okay? So, all right, let's just go ahead and put this wig on. So this wig that I won, it is a 16-inch. Like I said, her name is Blossom. Her name was created from Hearts and Cake 90 because if you guys follow her, she mentions all the time that that was one of her favorite synthetic wigs. So she came out with a headband wig that pretty much mocked it. And this wig right here, if I didn't wear this wig and already feel the hype of it, I don't know if I'll be, nah, I'm lying. I probably still would be excited. But this wig is just so pretty. So it comes with these nice curls right here and then these nice highlights fading into the end and the tips. And it's super pretty, super beginner friendly, super ready for summer. Like, it's just a throw on and go. When I say when I have been off for these last 4 months, popping on headband wigs, this has been one of my favorite go-tos. So this wig does come with a comb in the middle. You're gonna get one right here, and one right here. It also comes with a strap. That's the beauty of headband wigs. It's a headband on a wig, and then you're gonna get this headband attached to the wig. So you can't take that off, it's all attached, but it's a basic throw on and go for all my beginners out there. So I went ahead and, you know, swoop my edges, you know, swoop them up real quick because this is a process, y'all. This is a whole process. So I went ahead and did that. I'm going to go ahead and put this headband on. I probably should be wearing a different headband, but you know, let's start off with this color and then we'll go from there. You can go in if you don't want to use the combs and use a wig grip. I'll show you guys how to do that. That's kind of what I've been doing, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's what I've been doing. Mary, Brittney, I'm about to review this wig, y'all. If y'all follow both of them, you know their names, and that's who I'm talking to, because they're so dope. They are so dope. When I put this wig on, I feel like, ooh, Mary Kay and Brittney, I got them in my space. Okay, so then you just go ahead and secure the Velcro in the back, like so. I'm adjusting, and boom, that's it. So I'm just going to just adjust the wig for my liking. I'm going to flip this part up right here just a little bit for the headband. Once it's on my head nice and secure, guess what you do? Guess what you do? Boom! Throw a headband on it. Yes, y'all. So I put my headband on it, and look how beautiful that is, okay? I get so many compliments with this wig. I love this wig, and I love it because the quality of this wig is amazing. It is top notch. If you're not familiar with MyFirstWig, they are pretty much top notch when it comes to human hair companies. The quality is amazing. So let's go ahead and do a couple of styles, and then I'm going to wrap this video up because it's not that much I need to tell y'all, and that's that. So this is one look right here. So we're done. I gave you like 3 different styles. You can do whatever you like with these headband wigs. I just kind of try to give you some options. If you want and your edges are thin, you can always put your headband a little bit closer. I like to get that kind of effect of showing my edges. This wig is so pretty, y'all. I must say that styling this wig and putting it up in a ponytail and doing whatever, it didn't really get too frizzy on me. It didn't get too tangly. Like, it's super soft. I did also forget to mention that I did originally co-wash this hair when I first got it, but because I've been wearing it, I shampooed and then I conditioned it. I feel like they kind of are all the same. I didn't really get a difference in the curl pattern when I did both. And then I also did go in with leave-in conditioner. I like this Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I've been using this one forever on my curly human hair wigs. Or this Mizani Curly Pudding is pretty good, but this one is a little bit more pricier, so use whatever works for you. I did show this Mizani conditioner, I think, when I was showing you guys how I washed it. But this conditioner right here, this Mega Moisture, this L'Oreal conditioner, is so good. It's so hydrating, and I really love it for curly human hair wigs, and I also use it on my natural hair too. So definitely, if you want, check that out. But this hair texture does mimic a 3B curly hair texture. So MyFirstWigs always delivers, y'all. Like, I can speak from experience. I did review a human hair MyFirstWig before on my channel, Alexis. I'll leave it right here. I did end up selling that one in the review. That was a cap size #1, but because I loved it so much, I went back and bought the cap size #2. So make sure you have the right cap size, but the wigs are bomb. When they say MyFirstWig, like, it's legit, like, for beginners. This quality is super soft. I have played with curly human hair wigs before, and sometimes when you start messing with it and styling it, it gets frizzy, it gets big, it gets nasty, it gets ratty. This one is still cute, and even as it is frizzing out a little bit, it's still soft and it's still cute. It's not tangly, like, it's still really soft. And the price of this wig is about $200, or like I think like $230, depending on if you like get a coupon, somewhere between $230, $220. But this wig is worth it. It's gonna hold up. It's definitely great quality. I can vouch for that, okay? Like I said, I still have my Alexis wig, and that wig is over a year old. I love this wig because this is actually, believe it or not, this is like my 4th time shampooing this wig, and it's still soft. It's still great quality. I really do like this wig. I feel like the curl pattern is perfect. Like, it's not too kinky, it's not too silky, it's just perfect. And this length is perfect too. So anyway, that's enough rambling. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Have you purchased Blossom? Have you purchased the MyFirstWig? Go ahead and talk to me in the comments. I'd like to talk to y'all, okay? Shout out again to Mary Kay Bella. Make sure y'all subscribe to her channel. And the Hearts and Cake 90, Brittney, for your first wig launch. This was the first one in her collection. She has like other ones now, so y'all definitely check out MyFirstWigs. I'll leave links below. That's about it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me if you're feeling it. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.